Looking to upgrade your bathroom with a centerpiece that blends luxury, durability, and flawless functionality? Meet the Nuvia 80-inch fully assembled double bath vanity. Your new favorite reason to love your space. Designed for spacious bathrooms and busy mornings, this double vanity gives you twice the comfort, twice the efficiency, and effortless style that elevates your entire home. Experience quality you can feel. With soft close cabinets and drawers, every detail is built for long-lasting performance. Quiet, sturdy, and made to impress. And the best part? It arrives fully assembled, so installation is quick and stress-free. Just place it, hook it up, and enjoy a bathroom upgrade that looks straight out of a design magazine. Say goodbye to clutter. With generous storage space, the Nuvia 80-inch vanity keeps everything organized, clean, and beautifully displayed. Whether you're remodeling, upgrading, or designing your dream bathroom, the Nuvia 80-inch double vanity is your key to transforming your daily routine into a luxury experience. Have questions? Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST. Visit SAKSBY.com and contact us at 1-844-7175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.